Tuna chuan question number 25 fanut le ngana o question number 25 chuan ti hena soya a pole chu thir ban ani thir sei takading o a pole has to be erected ni chuan ti koyangai ti ani chu at a point on the boundary of a circular park ti circular park omdona chu a figure kan siam kan treat thiam ti na figure kan siam don o circular park oma a diameter ati helai kil kar zong chu meter som pathum ati ni diameter chu meter som pathum ani chumang chuan hei center of circle kan tianga diameter hi kan ziak potang ati sei zong kan thri diameter chu 13 meter chuan in such a way that the difference of its distance from two diametrically opposite fixed gates A and B di tahin A le B on the boundary is 7 meters zia chu ithir ban kha ka el koi don ta ni chuan ka thir ban el koi te in thau na chu meter sari ani ati A atang le B atang ong kal ka tian thir ban kha ka el koi don ta ni ta hian ka da nga pakhat chuan C ka tianga ta in pakhat chuan hei triangle ka lo ni ta ni A atanga C le B atanga C in ka that zong chu meter sari ani an pa hian meter sari in thlau ti na ni chu bang chuan a toy zok hi x ka tianga a toy zok hi x meter ka tianga C zok hi pasaria tam zok chuan x plus 7 ti na ni x plus 7 meter chuan is it possible to do so? If yes, at what distance from the two gates should be the pole be erected ati zia chu hei pole hi thir ban hi A atanga B direct lo hian ka ul koi atian a ul koi them ati a thei ni chuan pole hi eng distance helai A le B gate atang hin eng distance in nge ipo koi zongro min ti ni A atang hian eng za distance nge AC B atang C hi eng za distance nge A le B distance 13 meter chuan uluk tewin en chuan hei figure hi men chuan A B diameter tin akal ta ni akal tlang chunga hian hei circle hi pahnia a then ta ni helampang segment hi a then ta ni chuan segment pakhat zok semicircle a hian semicircle ve ni pakhat zok in triangle om chuan hei akat tu arc AB hi a center a tian an subten ani 180 degree ni hi degree a chuan chu ama A le B thawin side pakhata segment pakhata ti anin to khom le chi hi chuan hemi chat ve ti ani 180 chan ve chu 90 degree angle in a semicircle is 90 degree semicircle chunga tianga triangle om reng chuan 90 degree ni tra triangle ka hretu ni tu chuan tingan tiang let AC equal to x meter and BC equal to x plus 7 meter chuan AB sei zong kan nei tua AB sei zong chu 13 ania chuan he triangle hi we know that angle in a semicircle is a right angle geometry hi chu set nge tu chuan that is angle ACB is equal to 90 degree ni chuan right angle triangle kan nei tin ani a Pythagoras kan ron thei tin ani chu Pythagoras theorem mangin cho chun som thei tin ani chu using Pythagoras theorem we get 90 degree opposite ami chu a hypotenuse ti nani AB hi hypotenuse AB square is equal to ablang chu pakati base ni pakati perpendicular ni opposite emo altitude ni reng AC square plus BC square ni ta kan da lutanga which implies AB square to 13 square niya AC square to X square niya BC to X plus 7 holding square 13 square to 169 niya lambi kada masang kasi masameng thap chu plus A square plus 2AB 14X plus B square 7 square 49 equal to 169 chuan X square ka bel chuan 2X square plus 14X minus 49 169 kan pay minus tur nia 49 169 ni pai chuan 123 X o B C chu chuan 2 in a divide let hi vek awak in 2 in a divide let vek nga 2 times 1 to 2 ni 2 times 7 to 14 ni 2 times 60 to 123 so number pati a multiply 60 up by 7 so ngai tani chu bisong tu chuan prime factorization han nei tu ka ti kha 2 times 35 ani chuan 5 7 is 35 ani chuan number pati a multiply sorry 60 is to 70 kan ti 60 230 215 35 chuan up by 7 ka tu chuan 3 2 are 6 6 2 are 12 le 5 12 minus 5 to 7 12 le 5 kan don chu 12x minus 5x minus 60 equal to 0 chuan common kala lenga x komuna x plus 12 banga minus 5 bang lama common kala lenga x plus 12 thoran chuk don ni chuan x minus 5 le x plus 12 kataya chuan either lenga x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 12 is equal to 0 katilenga which implies x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 12 til sei zo nga negative om ngai lo wa chuan hei hi kan neglect lenga chuan 5 kan da ton tan so mi am zia chu equation zo na kan chang to don distance of the two gates both erected chuan therefore AC equal to 5 meter no A tranga C to 5 meter chuan BC to x plus 7 ania 5 plus 7 to 12 meter meter nga le meter so pan nia ka el tina chu 25 answer chu question number 26 lu de question number 26 chuan sum of the areas of two squares is 640 square meter square pan hi oma area te ve ka bel chuan 640 square meter ka mu tinani chu if the difference of their perimeter is to khami square pan hi te kha a perimeter te in thau na chu 64 meter ti and it's one find the sides of the two squares square pan hi the side to in that ni chu an square pan hi kha ain ang do no ni pakhat kha square lian zawk tinani chuan pakhat kha square lian zawk le pakhat square te zawk square pakhat zawk hi a side zawk hi x ani anga hei all sides are equal ni kha pakhat zawk hi y kan ti le mai don tam x le y chuan tin kan tiang let the sides of two squares be x and y meter ve ve ni don meter ve ve min pe ka wangin question ni chuan a area te square ati square of area chu formula a chuan area of square chu a square x square nia side square ni me side hi square anga ni chuan chuan so question a sum ati hemi square le hemi square bel ati x square plus area ve ve te bel y square chu 640 square meter ati question a chuan hei hi equation 1 kan ti lenga chuan x hi lian zawk anga yang poi thak le kha pai la x is square lian zawk ni ta se y square te zawk and if the difference akan alien zawk x ka ti na san chu x minus y he alien zawk dang te so y minus x te ka chu a chaw chaw thei thaw ma se no a fin thak zawk ti a perimeter chu nei perimeter of square chu 4 times the side ni a side chu x ni chu 4x ni ai 4y perimeter chu 4x minus 4y perimeter te in thak na chu ti 64 and thunga hi nge kan chok te lenga hei 4 ni divide vek thea ma chuan ka siam te 4 times 1 to 4 times 1 to 4 thaw ania 4 times 1 to 4 ania 4 times 6 to 24 ani chuan hei ka siam lenga ka simplify zel ni x is equal to 16 plus 4 tin ka ta ni equation 2 ka ta equation 2 equation 1 han substitute mai kha aul sam ta ni chuan next chuan substituting an tianga substituting equation 1 in equation 2 in equation 1 we get equation 2 so equation 1 akan da le ton pangin chuan equation 1 2 x square plus y square is equal to 640 ni x I 16 plus y ka ta ni 16 plus y holding square lo ni x square ka plus y square is equal to 640 chuan 16 plus y holding square to a plus b holding square which implies a square plus 2ab plus b square plus y square is equal to 640 chuan 16 square kan thri ta ngai tan 16 square to 16 times 16 ti dan me ti ne 6 6 36 6 1 is 6 96 6 1 2 6 ania 256 ni 16 square to 256 plus 16 times 2 to 30 true ania y square to 2y square equal to 640 chuan like terms te ka ta kho nga 2y square ma separa ka ta anga plus 32y ron som nga plus 256 minus 640 nga chuan 256 640 ka pai chuan 640 tangin 256 ka pai chuan 4 la banga 30 na 5 pai chuan 8 la banga 5 a 2 pai chu 3384 lo ni 10, 13, 14. Chuan 2y square plus 32y minus ini kong 384 ini in bang 2 ini divide 3 vek ni it's your last cycle 2 in divide 3 vek 2 1 is 2 2 times 16 2 times 1 2 9 18 2 times 2 4 number pa ni multiply 192 up by 16 kan zong le ban is prime factorization method in so okay 2 9s are 18 2 6 are 12 2 4s are 8 2 8s are 16 2 2s are 4 2 4s are 8 24 le 8 24 are 8 plus 1 60 that's 24 le 8 okay y square plus 24y minus 8y minus 192 equal to 0 y plus 24 minus 8 y plus 24 equal to 0 y minus 8 is equal to into y plus 24 either y minus 8 is equal to 0 or y plus 24 is equal to 0 y2 8 niya nga that's 1 y2 negative 24 niya minus unplay one and neglect le nga chuan y2 8 kan ito bangin x ka zong do na putting y equal to 8 in equation 2 anum jok 2 ka da do tanga we get equation 2 chuan x is equal to 16 plus y ne x is equal to 16 plus 8 24 chumi zia chu therefore those are sides the sides of the two squares are pakatu 8 cm niya 8 meter niya pakatu 24 meter ni alian zo ka 24 niya te zo ka 8 song kan